There's people in the car behind me and I'm doing all this dumb shit in front of the camera. They were like, we have to bounce. She got us on camera. Oh my god, what are they doing in the car? I can never find a peaceful place to film anything. Hey everyone. I know it's been a minute since I've been on YouTube. And it's been a minute since I've done something like clothes related, DIY related. So today, I saw this video on TikTok a couple days ago by this girl, Danielle Combs. I'm gonna put the video here. She made these cool pants that had like, I forgot what it called, like bullet target, bullseye shit. It had the bullseye thing. And I don't know. I want to try to make it, but like different. In a different process than she did in her video. I went to Hobby Lobby and I got these like heat transfer things, and they're like glitter. So I'm gonna try to use those. Watch, I'll show them to you. Design Loft glitter heat transfer. So yeah, I'm gonna cut it out on this. I liked how it looked with like the glitter on the black jeans because it like pops out more, and this is like really sparkly too, so I wanted to try it. I have these black pants that I used to wear for like work and shit. We're gonna sacrifice them in the sake of DIY. I already embroidered them one time, like a long time ago. Rotten with Puka. Y'all remember that show? I used to love that show. But yeah, we're gonna sacrifice these jeans in the name of design. Also, sorry if I sound weird. I'm sick right now. I took a COVID test and it came back negative. I think I just have a cold because I was like out at night and it was freezing for like 2 days in a row. And I get sick easily when it's cold. So yeah, I'm still like, my nose is like kind of stuffy. Sorry if I sound annoying. Alright, I found my design. I was like, what should I do? And then I was like, and I was like, you know what? A heart target would be cute. So I fucking searched that. I searched heart target, bullseye, or whatever. And this image came up, and it's so cute. I'm gonna do this one. But we're gonna have to sacrifice Puka. She's not gonna go with it. So we're gonna, thread rip her out. Oh my god, it's so damn hard to take this shit off. I literally only got off like the buns of her hair, and that's it. I've been fucking seam ripping. It's taking forever. So we're gonna go to plan B. Okay, that wasn't plan B, which is use another pair of black pants that I used to wear for work. Cause damn, that shit's taking forever. Okay, so I'm literally just going to like trace the design on a piece of paper, and then I'm gonna cut it out with like my X-Acto knife. Okay, so I cut it out. I left 2 little strips just so like the heart will stay in place, and we're gonna, I guess, cut out a bunch of them with our X-Acto knife. Damn. It's gonna take forever. It's already 9 p.m. and I literally only cut out 3. It's so hard. I ended up cutting out a copy in cardboard just so like I wouldn't cut through the paper and stuff, and like it would be more stable. But yeah, it's really freaking hard to do. It takes so much time. Like, I'm like a fucking human cricket. I think that's what they're called, or cry cut. I don't know how you say it, but yeah. I only have 3 right now. I think I might only do half the pants like the girl. I wanted to do like all of it, but like this is gonna take forever. And like my stencils are pretty small. Ew, I look creepy. Alright, I finally fucking finished cutting out all the fucking heat transfers that I'm gonna use for the pants. I literally only used one page just because like my fucking hand hurts so bad. These are all of them. It ended up making 13. I think 13 is my lucky number. Small room check. The chair that I cannot sit on. The desk full of a variety of things. Under the desk full of 2 sewing machines, a sewing box, a gaming computer, and the iron I need to do my heat transfer. But I'm gonna have to move this to get that. I'm gonna have to move that to make space. I'm gonna have to move the chair. Oh my god, I have a headache. So I placed them like roughly where I want them to go. And I already started ironing this one on. Oh shit, it's on there. Oh shit, this one came out fresh. Let's see if the heart stayed. Oh shit, it looks so good. Oh my god, it reminds me of like Powerpuff Girls or something. It's so cute. Wait, look how sparkly. Ow, it's hot. Like a fucking tortilla, but look. No, my first mistake. I was so close. I only needed 2 more. Fuck. It like the stupid plastic came off because I had it on there for too long. So then it got stuck on my iron. No. Alright guys, I finished the pants. It bugged me that one of them got burnt and there wasn't 13 anymore, so I made another one last night and I ironed it on this morning. These are the pants. I put it on both back pockets. Let me know if you guys are gonna try to make them. Honestly, I feel like they might not last that long because they are heat transfers. And like, this one's already peeling. Like, what the heck? If anyone finds like a more permanent like way to make these pants, like yourself, let me know because these are obviously not gonna last that long, like if I wash them or something. But yeah, they look cute right now though. Like,
Jung chat. Fuck up!
oh my god, I'm gonna make everyone run away. I feel weird at these people watching me. I like want to do more crazy stuff, but I'm being watched. Don't you love it when you're being watched? Hey.
Damn, I wish I was swag. If only I was swag. Yo, I'm so swag right now. Oh my god. Ah!